Oxford StrongFence is a Chapter 8 advanced barrier system, often used on construction and streetworks jobs. It was designed in 2018 with Thames Water and Transport for London. One person can install StrongFence in 5 easy steps. Drop the base into place with front facing the roadway. Next, slot in the anti-climb middle section and hook it into the previous barrier if you're adding to an existing line. Take the StrongFence top and slot this into the middle section. Once you have built the whole line of StrongFence, secure the fence together using a regular metal connection clamp. Stand behind the StrongFence line and attach the clamp. Use a spanner to secure in place and take care not to over-tighten. To keep StrongFence upright and stable, install a backstay on every 5th barrier. Build the StrongFence perpendicular to the main line and secure the top with a metal clamp. Anti-climb, anti-tamper and easy to install. One pallet of StrongFence provides 15 meters of protection for the public, your workforce and your site.